Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung monitor. In this video I'll show you how to update software. In the beginning, let's go to the download center on Samsung app and website and enter your monitor model number. If you don't know your monitor model number, let's go to menu and go to support, information, and here is the monitor model number. Type it right here in this bar and select your monitor. Next, go to instructions and downloads. Here you can download user manual, easy setting box, device install, upgrade file, select Windows or Mac and select the device install. Also you can check the current version before installing. And here is the latest software update. Also you can select easy setting box. Here we've got the extractor, and here is the easy setting box setup wizard. Tap next, next, agree, confirm, close. Enter the app. And it's done. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.